For over 50 years now, Wisconsin law has prohibited the possession and sale of switchblade knives.
But a new law signed by Governor Scott Walker this weekend now makes them legal.
It can be a tool for hunting or used in self-defense.
Some people just think they're neat, and some people like the utility of being able to open it quickly.
The new law is a simple change for police.
The major change with the change in the law is that we won't arrest people for carrying a switchblade. It's not going to be illegal.
Anyone who can legally possess a gun is permitted to carry concealed knives of any length under the law.
Well, it also bars local governments for enacting any law more strict than the state law.